In this video, I'll demonstrate the use of the ternary operator. Okay, so we've got two variables here. We've got x equals 9, y equals 3. And what I want to do is create an if statement here. And if x divided by y is less than 3, then I want to add the two together. So x plus equals y. Now, if it's not less than 3, I want to use an else statement here and multiply the two values. So x times y. And then finally, I'll put in a print line statement here. And just display the value of x. Now, we know that 9 divided by 3 is going to be equal to 3, so the result here should be 27. We should multiply the values instead of adding them. Go ahead and run that just to make sure, and there you go, 27. Now, what I want to do is demonstrate how we can do the same thing with the ternary operator. And before we actually do the ternary operator, we have to reset those values of the variables because remember, x has been changed. So we'll reset them. X equals 9 and y equals 3. Now, here we go. It's real simple. X equals, and then inside parentheses, the condition. In this case, we know the condition is x divided by y less than 3. Okay, so that's the testing condition. And then we use a question mark, and the question mark effectively allows us to do this. We can go ahead and say x plus equals y. So this is the first result, assuming we get a true in the test result of x divided by y is less than 3. And then the false result would be the multiplication. So x times equals y, like that. Okay, so let's create another print line statement just to see if it worked. Now, if this worked, what we should see here is the same result. We should get 27 both times because the conditions are all the same. I'll go ahead and run that. And there you go. So we did get the same result the second time. And so the ternary operation is a great alternative to the if statement. As you can see, in terms of the real estate it takes up in your code, it takes up a heck of a lot less because you really have to do this in order to properly read an if statement, whereas with the ternary operation, you can do it all in one line like this.